guys, it's me, CrazyNurse RN, and we are now here outside the place of my friend. Here's my friend. So what are we doing right now?
We're gonna go for a walk.
Okay, so we have here a dog. His name is Bo.
Yes.
Hey Bo! Okay, so that's the house of my friend. It's very nice and it's big. Okay, so we're gonna walk here and it's already 11 in the morning. Okay, but still it's cool even though it's getting warmer, but you know, the air is so cold. So we're having now a dog walk. Okay, that's Bo and that's my friend Vanessa. So if you can see here, there is no people on the streets. I don't know where they are.
No, you know what? Let's go toward that side, and then we're gonna go.
Okay.
Well, let's go. It's nice at night to see the lights of the whole city.
Okay, so actually here, if you can see, it's very nice during nighttime. You could almost see everything down there. Okay.
Well,
So we're having a dog walk now.
Oh, it's a beautiful day today, right?
Okay, so how are you feeling right now?
I came from work. I haven't slept yet because we ate breakfast, and then I'm gonna work tonight. But I told Dang to wake me up in 3 hours because we have to go to. What are you gonna do later?
I think we're gonna go to Costco
And
fix my phone.
yeah, we have to go to the mall to fix this phone.
By the way, how was your work last night?
Oh, it was a crazy night. I work in the ICU. One was intubated. Other one so confused. Oh, I wasn't able to get a chance to watch Korean church.
You're watching Korean duty. I'll tell your boss. Okay, so she's a very talented person. So she's watching telenovelas,
Yes.
Korean movies,
The
while having
first
her
time
duty.
last night that I wasn't able to watch her movie. Hold on. This kid, he's a golden retriever. He's a golden.
What?
He's a golden retriever.
Okay, the golden retriever. What does it mean?
Golden retrievers, they love to retrieve stuff. So you
Like
could,
gold?
yeah, retrieve gold. But you could train them to like retrieve stuff like get me water, or get me this and that.
Okay, so they're trainable,
Yes,
right?
they're trainable. This is Brian's dog,
Okay.
and he's 1 year old.
Ah, he's 1 year old. Look at him.
1 year old.
He's 1 year old, but
And
it
he's very
seems...
friendly, right?
Yeah, he's very friendly.
Oh, I love the wind today. It's better than yesterday. Yesterday was raining.
You know what? The weather here in California is kind of erratic. Sometimes you get a very cold breeze.
Oh, this month is it's all for the past year that I've been here. It's always like
It's always warm.
warm, not really warm, but during winter it's not that cold. It's always sunny. There's always
Maybe
the
because
sun.
I'm here, so it
Yeah.
changes.
Yeah.
But I love this weather.
View.
Here's the view of the streets here. If you could see, there is no people here. We're just here to do our dog walk. And that's the mountains over there. It's a very nice view here. So why does people don't roam around your
I think they're working
in your place?
working from home,
Oh.
or they go to work so early.
Okay, so because
I work night, so
when I got here,
and you've never seen anybody.
Yeah, I've never seen a lot of people roaming around in your place. But in the Philippines, starting 6 a.m., everyone is in the streets doing their thing.
Yeah.
But in here, you can barely see anyone on the streets. But you know, it's kind of peaceful here.
He's already short of.
I'm short of breath because you know it's what do you call this one?
It's elevation.
Yes, it has
Some elevation.
some elevation here. If we have tsunamis, so this place will be spared. Spared from tsunamis.
Guys, so after 5 minutes of walking, Dang is already kind of
Short of breath.
That he needs to
to exercise more.
More. Yeah. We're
More
gonna
and
do this
more.
every day.
Yes. So maybe later we'll have another vlog for our Costco adventure. Costco adventure.
Yeah.
Where's Bo? Where are you going?
So, you cannot. We're gonna be fined if you don't pick it up.
Can you orient us some rules here in California with regards to...
Oh, that's everywhere though. You have to pick up your trash.
If not, what will the government or the authority will do?
Oh, you're gonna be fined.
Okay, so you have to pick it up.
Guys, this is my job here.
Okay. And she's expert on that. She's doing that every day.
No, I didn't. No,
Tapak yan.
bro, step on it. I can't
Ay.
believe it. Not really, because I shouted. No!
Okay. I love your dress. Look at
Oh.
her dress.
This is from Victoria's Secret.
Wow.
Yeah,
See that?
Victoria's Secret. Oh, I love the weather now. It's so nice.
Yesterday when we had our dog walk, one of our neighbors mentioned her dress because it's kind of unique. What is that
It was
dress?
a cozy. It's called cozy. I don't know. It's called cozy, and it's Can you describe it? How do you describe it?
I would describe it as
A warmer, like a warmer.
a warmer, a blanket
Yeah.
wrapped in the body.
So everyone's like, there were two women that were like, oh, I love what you're wearing right now. It's so cozy. Yeah.
Also, Ilya is short of breath, so we both have comorbidities.
What's your comorbidity? Me, I have hyperlipidemia, so I'm trying to exercise.
That's
or
why
walk
you
every
said
day.
that you're gonna vomit seeing those oily.
Yeah, because he cooked ham
Ham.
and stuff, a lot of oil. I feel like I'm gonna vomit. But I have hyperlipidemia.
Okay, so me, I have hypertension.
Oh, really?
Yes, it
Where
was
did I-
diagnosed. It's called essential hypertension.
Oh, okay.
But the doctor gave me a maintenance dose of amlodipine 5 milligrams per day.
The cause is genetics. It could be genetics and then plus lack of exercise.
Sedentary lifestyle,
Yes.
probably.
Bad diet. Dang doesn't smoke or.
Yes, I don't drink or
Drink,
smoke. I don't
no.
have any vices. I'm just
But
eating
I-
too much.
Yeah. But genetics is really a big factor.
So how did you acquire your hyperlipidemia?
Me, I don't really eat veggies. I just eat meat, rice. And I think that's how I got it.
Okay, so now what do you do to prevent that or to
Yeah, you
avoid
need to. Whoa, come here.
ingesting
Whoa,
too much
come here.
fats?
You need to eat. Whoa.
Are we going to cross?
Yeah, we're gonna cross this way. You need to eat healthy
Food?
No, so you have to have a balanced diet, right? You need to eat veggies and not too much carbs, not too much red meat. You need to eat more like chicken,
Your white
fish.
meat? So do you have any maintenance or medications
No,
taken for
no.
that?
Um,
Were you diagnosed to have hyperlipidemia?
yeah, I was diagnosed, but of course, they're not gonna give you medication right away. They're gonna try changing your lifestyle first. So I'm doing that. I try to walk or run every day.
Okay, so
I'm trying to see, as you can see, guys, I'm not that. I'm not on the chubby.
she said she's not fat.
Not really.
Not really.
Yeah, but still, I got hyperlipidemia.
Okay, so
So
that means
guys, doesn't mean that you're fat, you're unhealthy, or you're thin and you're healthy. There are actually obese people, but their labs are really good, healthy. So it's really, no.
okay, so sometimes meaning we do not judge the person by its appearance, right? Is that correct?
Yes. Look at Dang's face. It's better now.
Don't mention it.
No, I'm just saying his face is better now.
Miss Vanessa is planning to make her YouTube channel. So if she does, please support her by subscribing to her channel.
And please leave a comment on what what my topic should be.
What do you
and
think best for her? The content that she will be making if she will have her YouTube channel.
Maybe how to walk a dog. I'm an expert.
Or how to train a dog.
How to walk a dog.
Yes, the dog
Walk
listens
and
to her.
go. Heel.
She can actually communicate with the dog. Oh, see?
Yes, heel.
Okay. Oh, heal. She said heal. Heal the world.
Heel. Good boy.
Okay.
See? And then we're gonna walk together.
Okay. Okay, guys. So now we're heading home. I think we're done with our dog walk. So we're heading home now.
Yeah. When I'm off, I think we need to walk longer distance. Or
Yes.
we need to. I sometimes do a 5K run.
Wow. So what happens if you did that?
Oh, you burn more calories. You exercise your heart muscles.
Were you satisfied after running for 5 kilometers?
Oh, good. Sure. Feels good.
Who's with you?
Sometimes me and Bo, we just run around. Sometimes my friends.
Look at these guys. It's very nice here. They have grasses where you can have your picnic here, and it's clean, and it's maintained by the community. You can actually do whatever you like here. Nobody is watching you. Nobody cares as long as you do clean your trash. Okay. So if you will see now, it's 12 noon already, but still it's cold here, and it's nice to walk around.
You know why? It's because it's only March. We just it's only March, and usually during May or end of April, May, June, it's already like warm, very warm, like summer. You could wear your shorts, sleeveless dresses, but now I have to cover up.
Because it's cold. What happens to the tree? I think it fell. Look at this tree. Oh, do you have an? Okay, so still we have another poop episode.
More than 2
Plastic.
plastic. 'Cause
To pick up those
look, you
Oops.
could get plastic there too. Pull bag out and down.
Here.
And clean up after your set.
If you don't have any plastics or you're running out of plastics, you can actually get it here. It's for free.
Yeah, it's for free.
Okay, so you can get plastics there.
There's plastic from here.
If you don't have any plastics or if
Bag.
you're running out of plastics.
And
Okay.
then
So there's no reason you cannot pick up the poops or your trash here on the ground. But look at the trash can. Okay. So poor tree. So I think sooner they will be fixing that.
it feels good to walk, right?
Yeah, it feels good. It energizes your body.
Bo, Bo, Bo. Bo. Come here. I was just showing those people that I have a leash. They report.
But actually you're not.
Because you could call Bo easily and he'll come back.
So sometimes you need to have a short drama.
Yeah, a little drama. Like, oh, Bo, Bo, come here. Bo. I showed them that I have a
So that the neighborhood will not go crazy.
yeah.
That you just left your dog there roaming around.
And then wake me up, okay? Around 2:30. So we could 2:30, 3. Yeah.
Do you want to be banged? Do you want to be resuscitated?
Or water in the face.
Or choose any of those?
Or
I'll do
shout
that.
at my ear. Me, I sleep very, I'm a shallow, what do you call that? Shallow sleeper? No.
You get easily easily awakened.
Yes.
There's a flag here, a small flag of America.
Bo, come here. Bo, come here.
Did you see that?
Bo.
It seems that they are very patriotic Americans. Even houses here have flags, right?
Yes.
So what does it mean if a house has a flag?
How we American?
Does it mean that the person living there is nationalistic or or they love the country so much
Oh,
that they
yes.
could even
Yeah.
put a flag on their
I
house?
think this is ours na, di ba? Turner. Wow, we're here na. Aray na ta.
Di na.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so we forgot this is the street.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Wow.
So if you can see here, each house has its own car. I think you cannot live here without cars.
Oh, it's true.
Everybody has a car.
Needs a car here.
Okay.
Oh,
So we're heading home
Yeah. I
and
think we need to tour them during nighttime too.
in the house.
Not in the house, around the neighborhood.
Yeah. If you live here, you really need to buy a car for you to move around. Okay, so this is the house of Eden and we're going inside. Okay. So let's get inside. Here's Bo and he's done with his dog walk. So open the door. Is it automated? Joke, just kidding. So here's the door. Then we get inside. Okay, so see you later, guys. Bye. Hi guys, we're here in Ranch. So we have
Ranch 99.
Ranch 99.
99 branch or something.
Whatever.
But it's an Asian store.
Yes, it's an Asian store. You can find a lot of Asian products here.
Yes.
And it's good for all Filipinos who wanted to buy some
Yeah, I'll show you.
Asian goods
Look at this.
here.
Look at this, guys. Oh, love that.
Wow, that's hot dog.
Bread hot dog. Oh, card. If you want to buy something in the cart.
Where?
Look off. Casino. Everything's there. Longganisa.
These are all Filipino. These are all Filipino food.
Shopal.
What else?
Oh, you know what I want?
Yes. So we have here frozen foods.
Ano yung gusto mo? The wrapper you want.
This is the lumpia wrapper.
There's
So guys,
there's
you
a
see
lot-
it's a square. Lumpia wrapper is a square one.
Which one? There's a lot there. Oh.
Where?
Wrappers.
Okay. So the lumpia wrapper here is square. Here in the Philippines, we have a round lumpia wrapper.
There's round too. There's round.
Okay. So actually, there are a lot of Asian products here. Where are we heading?
Let's go there. I want to see. I want to check for honey tea.
Honey tea. Okay. Also lemon. Right?
Honey lemon tea.
So by the way, before we got here, we went to a cell phone repair because my phone was broken. So we have to change the LCD. So we left there and we'll come back after 4 hours.
Oh, this tea. Oh.
So here are the teas, guys. So if you are here in America and if you want to buy some teas, just go to Ranch 99. Especially now that it's cold, so most of you would want to take tea. So we have here Korean. This is a Korean Hong Kong. This is a Hong Kong style tea latte. Okay, so you can find it here also.
Why? You have that?
I'm not sure, but if you want some Chinese foods, Korean food,
Oh,
you all have
you
it
want
here.
Milo? Milo's here. There's a big one.
Yes, we have here Milo. It's in a can. Look at this, guys. So this is a mango. This is mango. And we have there a cabbage. It's a in purple cabbage. So they also have here green leafy vegetables. You can find it here. Look at this, guys. This is squash. Okay, so now we'll have some 10 rents tea time milk tea. Okay, so my order is black sugar latte made with fresh milk. How about you?
I'm not sure. It's so hard to order.
Me too. I cannot understand. Look at this menu. It's hard to understand actually.
Ah, yes.
You just have to read between the lines. So guys, here is our milk tea. So let's try this.
They don't have a lot of flavors here. I'm like, when I went home, when I went when I went home to the Philippines, there's a lot of flavors there. Oh, I just woke up, sorry. But here you have limited flavors.
Okay, so let's take this opportunity to interview my friend
Wow.
regarding the work of a nurse, the usual routine they do when they have their duty. So what do you usually do as a nurse? First thing.
Well, I'm not really an expert, but every nurse is different. But for me, okay, so when you take report right from the nurse, I usually visit my patients first, all of them. Make sure that they're okay, vital signs are stable. And then, after that, I would check their orders, their latest lab tests, and then their medications. And then, go to the patient room, assess the patient, and then prepare your medications. And then since I work in the ICU, you really have to like check the patient like every hour. If they're stable, then every hour, but if not, you constantly have to be checking them. And then what else? You make sure and then around 1 or 2 a.m. that's when everything's done. I've done my assessment, I've done my charting, I'm caught up with my medications. That's when I start reading notes from the doctor, so I could fully understand what's going on with my patient. So you need to have your own way on doing things at work, because if not, you're gonna be like, everything's gonna be chaotic. You'll be like, what am I gonna do, this and that. But I've been working as an ICU nurse since 2014, 8 years now.
So you can consider yourself an expert?
Not really expert, but I know how to handle things. I don't panic when stuff happens. I think critically. I am already trained to like think critically and be fast in anything I do. So
So what are your struggles and challenges you have when you were
When I
starting
started,
as a nurse?
because I started with no experience and uh, everything is new to me. Even like feeding pump, we don't have that in the Philippines, right?
Yeah,
At
we use NGT
NGP, we wait
with a step syringe.
and you need to warm up.
Then you use
Yeah.
gravity.
Yeah, and you wait for how many minutes before you finish. So even that, like feeding pump, I don't know how it looks. Everything I just read from the NCLEX book, but
In practice.
yeah, in practice I didn't really see any of those.
Okay.
So and then ventilators, like was new to me. I don't know anything, so it was a struggle. But I think nursing, it's a repeat, you know,
A routine.
a routine. You do the same thing every day.
You learn by practice.
Oh
You learn by
yeah,
practicing.
you learn a lot every day. Yeah.
So what do you advise our future Chilean nurses? Especially my subscribers. I believe all of them are student nurses and they are planning to be a nurse
Nurse
here in the
here.
United States and
Oh.
America in the future. So
Yes,
what
you
advice
just
will you give to them?
you know what? What's the good thing of being a Filipino nurse is that we are very what do you call that? We are very hardworking. We are not tamad-tamad, right? ev- when you go to every hospital, supervisors, charge nurses, always Filipinos, or most of them Filipinos, because they really work hard. They always love to help. So just you just show them that you love to learn, that you love to help, that you're a team player, you're compassionate with what you do, and you will go a long way.
Okay, so that was the best advice that you can have, guys, for those who are planning to become nurses here in the United States of America. So hard work, perseverance, you should always learn. Okay? We shouldn't stop learning. Okay? Every day we learn,
You should
especially
not.
as nurses.
Yes, and be confident on what you do. And do not hesitate to ask. Always ask. People here love to teach you. So if you don't know anything, always ask. And then
But not to the point that you always ask. You
I
should
know
learn. You should learn.
you should learn to and read notes.
Because it's annoying if you ask every seconds, every hour, and it's been repeating to you.
Yes, you should.
That's
Every
annoying.
time they teach you something, write it down because of course you will forget it. Write it down and then read it repeatedly. And also, nurses here and doctors.
Matters.
Yes, they collaborate with one another, and it's not like doctors are here and nurses are here. They actually, like, they are
We are of the same.
Yeah.
We are the same level in terms of their knowledge, expertise.
yes, doctors
Because-
love to ask a lot from the nurse, and nurses also ask stuff from the doctors. And the doctors here really trust their nurses. And they always, like, for me, doctors always ask for my opinion. What do you think should we do? What do you think what do you think does the patient need? Because you're the one who stays with the patient for 12 hours, right? The doctors, uh, they only come to see the patient if you need them.
And it's kind of empowering for nurses that knowing that their doctor trusts them.
Oh,
right?
yes.
Okay. So I guess that's it. So thank you so much, Vanessa, for your insights with regards to this matter.
Okay.
And I hope that our future nurses learn a lot from you. Okay, and see you here in America soon.
Yes.
Okay, just be good and pass all your exams
And
and
study
be a
hard.
competent nurse.
Right.
You will go a long, long way if you do that. Okay?
All right. Bye.
Okay, bye.